this is Laura GB, and in this video we're going to look at common mistakes when publishing a report. So here we have a report. It's got a front page with some figures on. We've got a volume page, and on this volume page we've got a slicer across the top so we can pick different years. So I'm going to have a look at 2017. That looks great. Then I'm going to go on to the third page, which is my turnover report, and we're going to look at some slices down the side so I can have a look at Bert's gifts, and I can have a look at, slice that down to flowers. There we go. And this is a drill down chart, so there's a button to drill down. I can click on a column, come down and have a look. So there we are, we're ready to publish. So let's go publish. We'll save on the way, and I'm going to put it into my beta workspace and click select. So there we are, it's published. So let's switch across to our workspace. So we can see our report, it's just been published. So let's go and have a look. So we click on our report, and here we hit our first thing we've got wrong. We're on the wrong page. I don't want people to land on that page. And also, that page is called page 3. Okay, so I don't want people to land there. All the slicers have been remembered. So in order to go back up, I'd need to unclick those slicers. And also, I've clicked down into a year, so I'd have to drill back up again to get back to this summary. But if I click on reset to default, it'll take me back to however it was published. So I want to remove my slicers settings, I want to stop the drill down, and I want to be on the right page. And also page 3 is a bad name. So let's switch back into Power BI. So let's quickly go through and just quickly undo our settings. So I'm going to drill back up again, and I'm going to take off the slicer values. I'm also going to rename this page down the bottom here. Okay, so this is how people navigate your report, so get the names right. Let's check the volume page. I remember I put it back to 2017. Let's put it to 2020, so this year. And go onto the summary page, and there we are. It's now in the right state. So now we can click publish. And let's switch across to our data set. And now if we open our report, there we are, we land on the right page. We can have a look in there, we're on 2020, and our turnover report has no slicers or drill downs applied. 3 common mistakes: forgetting to rename pages, not saving and publishing with the right page selected, drill downs and slicers not set back to a default value. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.